Ayan, good morning, Mr. and Mrs. H. So today is the, I don't know what's the day today. Fifth, I think fifth day, fifth day of renovation. For today's video is renovation. This is the commercial space, the bigger one. And this is the old door. Ayan. Old glass door. So it's gonna be we're gonna remove that and then change the tiles, repaint. They were gonna fix the wiring there, the wirings and some of the ceiling, not all, because Jeric said some of it can still use, just repaint it. And the restroom we're gonna be change to a more convenient, it don't look like a restroom. It looks like a post, but it's a restroom inside at the back of it. Ayan. And they were gonna, from the restroom is right here, and then they were gonna transfer it right here, and then change the tiles of this same, just the what do you call it? Not very expensive tiles. Yeah. And they're now selecting the old lumber wood. That's the one I think they're going to use for the for pamporma. Hindi ko na alam yung English. Ayan. Si Kuya Benok at si Kuya Noknok. Tama ba? I don't know. Ayan. Good morning. Ayan. So for today's video is medyo mamimili tayo ng konting mga materyales. And makakatipid tayo ngayon sa kahoy dahil ayun nga, from the demolition meron na tayong mga konting kahoy na magagamit. Ang lalaki ng mga pako na yan. Kaya dapat talaga kapag nandito ka sa mga demolition area is medyo makapal ang gamit mo na footwear. Kasi kapag mapako ka sa sa rubber. Ayan. Ayan si Kuya Carrie D. Hindi pa makapag-start ng change ng roof dahil inaantay pa yung permit, yung building permit for renovation. Kaya medyo tenga muna si house for today's video. And mauuna munang i-renovate ang ating dalawang commercial space. Pero mauna muna yung pinakamalaki. Dahil hindi na maalala ni Papa kung kanina niya napahiram yung pangbungkal ng lupa ni Jerry. Ayan. Nag-DIY siya ngayon ng pambungkal from the scrap na nakuha sa demolition area. Ayan. Ayan, ginagawa na yan.
You're the only one to me. Oh, don't you let it stop.
Negro. Ayan, binubutas na nila. Tapos yung truck is ayun. Yung truck. Hindi ako makaano. Ay, sorry. Ayan na si Malabanan. Si Malabanan ipaglaban. Ito possible yung Poso Negro. Maganda ding brand yung Ingo. Ingo. Mas maganda sa Stanley. Para saan? Pero mas mura to.
Pero yung duty din yan. Hindi na magamit.
Nag-start na. Nag-start na ang pagsisit ng labanan. Ew. Disgusting. Sarap. Ayaw umakyat yun. Diba? Umakyat ba? Five update. Tawag dito, wala na yung dalawang pillar. Tapos medyo naghukay na sila dyan para sa foundation no poste ng balcony. Then, ayan. Okay na yung demolish. They separated the woods, the lumber woods that they can use for the building the balcony. Okay, then let's go down. Ay, no. Nauga-uga. Init. Ayan. Tapos, ayan. Ito na yung malaki. This is the big commercial space. And already gone na yung, the sink is gone already. The septic tank is right there and it's already empty. Wala na rin yung kisame. So this is day 5 and day 5 after.